If you are unable to access your Steam account and do not have verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Steam support page. Go to the Steam support website. Click on I can't access my account to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Select your account type. Choose the type of account you are trying to recover. This could be a Steam account or a specific game account linked to Steam. Follow the prompts to identify your account. Step 3. Provide account information. Enter any information that can help verify your identity. This may include your account name, email address, or phone number associated with the account. Step 4. Use the account recovery form. If you cannot access your email or phone, look for the option to fill out the account recovery form. Provide as much detail as possible about your account, including recent purchases or game activity. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your recovery request, wait for Steam support to respond. They may ask for additional information or provide instructions on how to regain access to your account. By following these steps, you can work towards recovering your Steam account even without verification codes. Be patient and ensure you provide accurate information to facilitate the process.